Okay, there goes the plow truck. Plowing the streets. Look at the park, it's totally full of snow. This is my balcony because I am totally not going outside. Our balcony is full of snow. I mean, that's all you see is snow, snow. You can't even see the snowflakes here because the sky is so full of snow that it kind of looks like powder through the sky. I think you can see the little flakes if I hold it steady by the tree. You can see the snow falling. There you go. You can see how much snow is falling. And it's gonna be like this until tomorrow. Look at the park. Oh my goodness. Tomorrow the kids are going to have a blast in the snow. While Darian and I shovel all our cars. Look at the cars all lined up. You can't even see the street. The street's full of snow and they just plowed it.